Let's replace the front wheel bearing and ABS wheel speed sensor on a 2012 Nissan Rogue. But before even starting, here is the torque specs for all of the bolts and nuts I'll be dealing with. Remove the 21mm wheel nut. Remove the cutter pin. Spray penetrating oil. Remove the 32mm axle nut. Remove 19mm bolt for the caliper brackets. Also, these rotors will be replaced because they are so damaged. Remove the 17mm bolts that hold the wheel bearing in place. Spray penetrating oil between wheel bearing and the steering knuckle. In most of the cases, the bearing hub will get stuck. Just hit it around until it breaks loose and use a chisel to pry it out. Clean the area before installing the wheel bearing. If you are not replacing the wheel speed sensor, then remove it before removing the wheel bearing, otherwise you are going to break it. In my case, didn't care because I'm replacing it anyway. The part number for the wheel sensor. Clean the whole of the ABS wheel speed sensor. Apply anti-seize grease. Install the wheel bearing. Push the axle inside. I'm using swivel adapters because we don't have too much space in the rear to tighten the bolts. If you want to remove the strut to replace the wheel bearing, these are 21mm bolts. You will have more space to tighten the bolts, but in my case I don't need to remove them. Install the new wheel speed sensor. Install the rotor. Make sure the slide pins on the caliper bracket retract very smoothly. Clean the rotor and apply anti-seize grease. Ensure not to apply grease on the wheel studs. Install the brake caliper. By the way, these are 14mm bolts. Apply brake lubricant on all necessary areas before installing the new brake pads, but ensure grease does not go on the rotors. Use a brake pad and a C-clamp to retract the piston on the caliper and ensure the piston is retracted with no effort, otherwise it would be time to replace it. Don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and God bless you all.